this walk. It's a short walk, and we are covering two main sites. The area you see around you, and after this the Begumpur Masjid, the Begumpur Mosque. I'll start with an introduction, a background in terms of what to expect here, what we're going to look at, and then we'll look at the specific, we'll talk more about the specific monuments here. Tughlaqs are a dynasty which everyone here has heard about. We've all studied about it. We're forced to study about it in our schools. And all of you must have heard stories, gossip, all kinds of stuff about, and must have had your own opinions about the Tughlaqs. So you're most welcome to share them here. Any questions, any comments, anything, you're more than welcome. In terms of a background to Delhi and this place specifically, you all know Delhi has seen many capital cities. Yeah, people count anywhere up to 15 capital cities within the Delhi region, and this area is a capital city from the 14th century, built by the Tughlaqs. Now Tughlaqs, like I said, are a fairly well-known dynasty, and there are three principal rulers, three main fellows who ended up making a good name for themselves within the Tughlaq lineage. There is Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, Muhammad Tughlaq, and Firoz Shah Tughlaq. So just to make it easy, you can refer to them as 1, 2 and 3, Tughlaq 1, 2 and 3, yeah? Don't really have to remember the names. The site we are concerned with here, Jahanpanah and the Begumpur Masjid, we'll be discussing two people, Tughlaq 2 and Tughlaq 3. So it's Muhammad Tughlaq and his successor Firoz Shah. There were other Tughlaqs after him as well, but they didn't end up making a great mark on history, so nobody remembers their names, even I don't. So if you Google them, you probably might find a few more names after Firoz Shah, but really nobody takes them very seriously. So it's again first three chaps we are concerned with here. The first guy, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, is the founder of Tughlaqabad Fort. Many of you have been there with us on walks there, and it's a massive fortress on the Mehrauli-Badarpur road. So he's the founder of that city. He's the first Tughlaq king. Now his son, Tughlaq II, Muhammad, killed off his father and acquired the throne after him. And it is said that he was extremely uncomfortable living in his father's capital. Probably the guilt just didn't allow him a comfortable stay there. So he decided to create a new capital city for himself. So for a while he was around Tughlaqabad, but later he decided to create a new capital city for himself, and this is the area he chose. So he created a new palace area for himself, and in addition he created a boundary wall around the former existing capital cities of Delhi. So before the Tughlaqs, there had been other people who'd been ruling from Delhi, mostly from the Mehrauli area where you have the Qutub Minar today, and also the Siri Fort area, which is known for its sports complex and the auditorium today. Yeah. So this is mostly what today we know as the South Delhi area. Malviya Nagar, Saket, yeah, this is the region we are talking about. And he created a boundary wall around all these former sites, so enclosing them in one single unit, and then put an additional unit which was the new palace area which he built. And this is the new palace area where we are standing in, this site. This whole city, he called it Jahanpanah. Literally, the refuge of the world. Jahan is the world. Panah is to take shelter or to take refuge. So that's why the name Jahanpanah. So it's a fairly ambitious and pompous name, but that's how kings behaved, yeah. So you expect this from them. Now, within this site, there are three main parts to this site where we are looking at. One is the grave complex here, the tree and the few graves where you see. You can mostly see dogs today, but there are some graves also in between, yeah. Then, that bit which rises above, that's identified as the main citadel. And the third area of interest here is the building towards the right with a dome. So I'll talk about the grave complex and the building a little later. We'll first go into the citadel complex which rises above, and from there we'll discuss these two as well. Okay? Come.